If you've spent decades being the backbone of your industry, but your bank account doesn't reflect that dedication, it's time to build your Dividend Fortress. My name is Monica, nurse and retirement advisor with Black Women Retire Well. And today I'm showing you the exact steps to buy your first share of SCHD. This isn't just a stock, it's a paycheck that shows up even when you don't. First, we're heading to the Fidelity homepage. You don't need a financial advisor or $1 million to start. You just need a plan. Look for the Open an Account button. If you want your money to grow tax-free, you will select Roth IRA. If you want access to your cash anytime, choose Individual Brokerage. Once you're inside, we're searching for ticker symbol SCHD. This fund is the nursing of stocks, reliable, steady, and focused on growth. The most important step, check in the box for Dividend Reinvestment. This is how your money starts having babies. Don't wait for retirement age. Create your retirement income now. Grab my full workbook in the link below to see the math of your freedom.